Good morning, elementary. I have got a challenge for you this week. It's a little bit different this time. And what I mean by that is, I'm actually going to challenge all of you to something. I'm challenging all of you to build a tower. I'm going to give you a certain set of materials and a certain set of time to build this tower. Now, again, just like all the other science experiments, hopefully you have some of these materials at your house. And if you don't, that's okay. Maybe you can get them at the grocery or Walgreens next time you go. The first thing you need for this engineering challenge, mini marshmallows. These marshmallows, they're about this big, very small. Only other thing that you need are toothpicks. You don't need a whole box, just plain old toothpicks. And your challenge this week is to build the tallest freestanding tower that you can make out of marshmallows and toothpicks. All right, I'm gonna show you the rules now on the screen. You can pause it, but it's very simple. 3 rules. 20 mini marshmallows, you have 25 toothpicks, and 5 minutes to build the tallest freestanding tower that you can come up with. Now, what does that mean, freestanding? It means you're not holding it, there is no other objects keeping it upright. It's something that you can place on a table or a plate, any flat surface, and that's it. At the end of the 5 minutes, what I'd like for you to do is grab a ruler and measure how tall it is off of the counter, the table, wherever you're building it. You can email me the height of the tower, or even better, send me a picture or a video if you can of you building it. My email address is kjaviermfc@gmail.com. So now you might be wondering, why am I even building this tower, Mr. Carl? Why does it even matter? Well, a couple things. One, aside from the fact that yes, it is fun to build things out of food and play with marshmallows, but what you're learning to do right now is what engineers and architects do all the time. And what I mean by that is, well, you have a certain number of marshmallows, toothpicks, and 5 minutes to build this, right? Well, engineers are no different. Somebody tells them, I'm giving you this amount of materials or money, you have this amount of time to build it, and, well, here's what I want it to look like. This is the same thing. And so using their limited amount of resources, just like you, they have to build something and make it great. And that's what you're learning to do today. You're learning to make something, well, to the best of your ability with the resources that you have. Toothpicks, marshmallows, 5 minutes. So yes, it is fun, but in a small way, you're learning to do what adults, and maybe some of you will do one day as well. Now you're probably wondering, why in the world am I showing you part of this tower? Well, it's because I wanted to see what you would come up with on your own. I know what I would build, I know what Abraham would build, but I want to see what you come up with on your own, because you might come up with something that I've never seen before. And that's kind of the goal in this. And that's what makes engineering so great, is that there isn't really a wrong answer. It's about trying your best and seeing what you come up with. And if it doesn't work out, you try again. So I look forward to seeing what all of you come up with. And I'll be checking my email, and hopefully I'll hear from some of you soon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.